To show you how you can Facebook one name. First off, from your Facebook account here, you have to go to the three-part section up here. Now, once you're in your three-part section down here, scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. On here, go to Settings. Now, once on Settings, go to Account Center here. So tap on See More in Account Center. Tap on your profile here. Now, on your profile, tap on the account you want to change the name onto. So just tap on this. Now, on here, go to Name. Now on here, you want to delete your last name here, delete your last name like this, and then just put in an empty space like that. So just put in a space, tap on Review Change. Once that's done, you can see now my name is only one here, right? So just one. Tap on Save Changes. And then that's it. You can see now my name is only one. If I go back to my profile here and I go back to my profile again, and then I go to my actual profile here, you can see my name is only one. It's only John. There's no last name. There's no middle name. Only one first name, one name called John. That's it. You're done.